First navigate to the file and click open. Select this girl picture. Press the open button. Hit Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Go to filter, blur gallery and select iris blur. Place the circle on the face. Hold the Alt key and adjust these points like this. Increase the blur radius to 95 pixels. Also increase the light, bokeh and bokeh color like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result. Let's continue the same process on other image. First double click to open the image folder. Select this boy image. Press open. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Go to filter, blur gallery and choose iris blur. Then adjust these blur settings like this. Click OK. Let's see the final result.